Good morning to everybody. So we completed the first question from the exercise 7.2. So today we will start the question number 2. Question number 2. If you want to prove that the triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. Okay. Triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. If you have to use triple criterion, that is SSS criterion, you need to show the first one is AR is equal to, and then second part RT equal to, then AT equal to. So already here given for you, that is triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN under the correspondence of ART and PEN. Okay, here what it is given for you? Triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. Alright, now by triple congruence rule, these two triangles are congruent. So therefore, AR is corresponds to, what is that? PE. AR is corresponds to PE. Are you getting here? Then RT is corresponds to EN. Then AT is corresponds to what? PN. AT is corresponds to what? PN. That is AR is equal to PE, RT equal to EN, then AT is equal to PN. Then by triple congruence rule, you can conclude that these two triangles are congruent under triple congruence criteria. Are you getting here? Yes. Now, shall we move to the next one? That, okay. Here these two triangles are congruent only. Which one? Triangle ART is congruent to triangle PN only. Triangle ART is congruent to triangle PN, and given that, and you have to use SAS criterion. Which criterion? SAS criterion. And given that angle T equal to angle N. Angle T equal to angle N, it is given for you. So you have to say RT is equal to what? Then RT equal to what? Then PN equal to what? PN equal to what? By which congruence? By SAS, dear. Please remember, by SAS. Here already given that the two triangles are congruent, that is ART and PN under the correspondence of ART and PN. Okay. Then angle T equal to angle N, it is given. Angle T equal to angle N. So SAS means what? That is one angle is included between the two sides. One angle is included between the two sides. So this is the angle T should be included between the side AT and RN. Here the side N is included between the sides. What are the two sides? PN and EN. Okay. So RT means what? This side. So this side should be equal to side EN. Are you getting it? Then another one, PN. This is the side PN. This side PN is equal to the side AT. Then by SAS congruence rule, you can say that these two triangles are what? Congruent. These two triangles are what? Congruent, we can say. Are you getting there? Yes. And then again, the triangle is same, ART and PN only. And they said these two triangles are congruent. Alright? Then AT equal to PN, it is given by ASA. So triangle ART is congruent to triangle PEN. ART is congruent to triangle PEN. Am I right? Then it is given that AT equal to PN. AT is equal to PN. Then you have to say that what are the two angles? What are the two angles are equal? What are the two pairs of angles are equal. So ASA means what? One side should be included between the two angles. So therefore this angle A should be equal to angle P, and angle T should be is equal to angle N. Are you getting there? So now you can say that by ASA congruence rule, these two triangles are what? Congruent. These two triangles are what? Congruent. Are you getting there? Yes. So we completed the question number 2. So we move to the third part now. Third question, it is third question. So you need to establish so you have to show that triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. The diagram is given for you. It is a like a okay. So this is a given diagram. This is a given diagram. You have to say that A, it is P, it is M, it is Q. Am I right? Okay. Then what and all it is given? You have to show that triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. So PM equal to QM, it is given. The steps is given, and then you have to write down the reasons for that. You have to write down the reasons. Okay. So it is given that PM equal to QM. So what is the meaning? It is given. It is given. PM equal to QM is what? Given. And then angle PMA equal to angle QMA. Angle PMA equal to angle QMA. It is also given for you. PMA equal to angle QMA. It is also given. It is also given. And then after that, AM equal to AM. It is not given, but it is common. But it is what? Common. AM is the common for both the triangle APM and triangle AQM. Therefore, AM equal to AM is the common side. It is what, dear? Common side. Are you getting there? Yes. And then after that, triangle AMP triangle AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ by which congruence rule? Tell me. By SAS, side angle side, side angle side. By which congruence rule? By SAS congruence rule. We can say that these two triangles are congruent. Are you getting there? AMP is congruent to triangle AMQ. Am I right? Yes. Okay. So we will continue the fourth question onwards. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay. So tomorrow we will continue the question number 4. Thank you everybody. Thank you.